Welcome everyone. Among the questions which I received recently, the most interesting one was about what's in dowsing, the difference between request and command. Let's talk about that for a moment. My name is Alicja Aratyn and I welcome you in our YouTube channel dedicated to scientific dowsing and exploring different aspects of dowsing from more than spiritual point of view. As we know in regular life, command is something what we required from, and we give an order as a command for things to happen, to take place, and there is no discussion about it. Command very often are given in army, of course. Command is given by someone who is superior to those who this person commands things to be done. Well, then if you think about dowsing, and we know that in dowsing every word counts, then who you would command to do something for you, to make your command, your order come true. Those are those who are lower than you and energetically lower, not less intelligent, for example, but rather people who depend on you, or some forces which you absolutely do not know, do not want in your area. So for example, entities. So when we will command entities to leave, then we will say, I command all non-beneficial energies to be removed forever from my house or from this specific person you deal with or you work on. And you say it like you mean it. Even if you say it in your mind only, it is like you come from not a regular power of yours, but from your high power, and you say, I command. That's why commands are very often used in ritualistic work. When the person who runs the ritual and stands at the front of the altar command the forces which cooperate with this first person to do specific work. And there is no doubt that this work will be done. You don't have to justify yourself because you command, and those below you must be obedient and must do it. Let's now talk about the request. Request is really expression of your wishes, of your dreams. And by requesting, you're rather asking for cooperation. So who are the powers above you or stronger than you who you can request to come down and help you to achieve your goals, your dreams, your desires? There can be archangels, angels, your guides, all the powers which you believe are up there, presuming that we are cooperating and asking for help and requesting help from the powers of light, of course. When you request, you are the one who needs a help from those who are above you. And therefore, you request by saying, I request all powers of light beings, my guides, whoever you wish to ask for help, to help me or to assist me in manifesting my desire of having whatever, having the loving person in my life, having a specific amount of money by specific time, and so on. You have to understand that when we request something, we are below the forces which can do that. So you are not going from your highest power and you say, do this. You kind of asking, but we need to know that when I request something, it can be and most likely will be done for me by those forces. However, I will cooperate and do something else which I can do to achieve that goal. So I'm not lying on the couch and resting and they work for me, but rather I cooperate with them, but I'm not high enough to do that fully. So I request the help of those who are above and can do more than I can in my physical reality to achieve together, to achieve that goal. So you are not coming from your highest power position, but rather you are coming from your power, but you request the help. So you say, please come and help me. But with the voice, even if it's only in your mind, with the voice which is strong, because you know that it can be done, but not necessarily and fully by yourself on this three-dimensional world, of course. It's always better if in your work you will have a pendulum which has additional power and which has the way to communicate with these higher forces, which means pendulums which are therapeutic pendulums, as we call them, but just because they are able to radiate the energy. So, for example, the pendulums which radiate gold light, or one of the pendulums which radiate the white light. The radiation, the emission of energy by pendulum will make your wish or your command, so either request or command, more powerful. And it has a potential of reaching the highest dimension to come down to help you and cooperate with you. Even if you command the lower forces to be removed and go away, then those higher forces will help you to do that. Well, I hope I explained this problem for you and clarify the meaning in dowsing sense, the meaning of the word request and the word command. And I hope it will help you in formulating your dowsing requests and commands for things to be done and to happen in your life. I'm still waiting for, as always, for your questions to be clarified. If you like it, subscribe to our channel and join the group of scientific dowsers who meet once a month and will learn more about how can we today treat life holistically and really marry the science and spirituality. And also, of course, join our Facebook group when we exchange the ideas and thoughts. For now on, thank you very much, and we'll meet next month